Hello friends, I am Arpit Porwal and today I will discuss the special cases of active and passive voice. सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे when there is a modal verb. जब किसी भी सेंटेंस में अगर मॉडल वर्ब आती है तो अपन उसको कैसे डील करेंगे. The syntax of the modal verb in passive voice is first the modal verb is written plus be plus verb third form. For example, I can win this match. So its passive voice will be this match can be won by me. This match is our object and as written modal verb is directly written here. So can is written here. Then plus be, then third form of win is won and by me. So I is converted into me. Discussing the second special case, that is when there is a command. जब हम अगर किसी भी सेंटेंस में कोई कमांड देते हैं तो हम उसको कैसे डील करेंगे. तो इसका सिंटेक्स है पैसिव वॉइस में let plus be then verb third form. So let us operate a sentence that is open the door. This is a simple sentence which is expressing a command. So converting it into its passive voice by following the protocol, that is let plus be and verb third form. So let the door be open. So उस सेंटेंस को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं you are requested or ordered to open the door. So let's discuss the third special case, that is when there are two objects. जब किसी भी सेंटेंस में दो ऑब्जेक्ट हो तो उस सिचुएशन में हमें क्या करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल he gave her a bouquet. So in this there are two objects, first is her and second is a bouquet. So how we will operate such kind of sentences. So first way is she was given a bouquet by him. So इस सेंटेंस में हम इस ऑब्जेक्ट का उपयोग कर रहे हैं. कैसे? her is converted to she, then was given, this is converted into its third form and this remains unchanged, a bouquet by him. Now the second way of converting this type of sentence is that हम एक बुके को सबसे पहले उठाएंगे और हर को अनचेंज रहने देंगे. So a bouquet was given to her, that remains unchanged and by him. So let us discuss the fourth special case, that is when there is a request. जब किसी भी सेंटेंस में अगर रिक्वेस्ट हो तो हम उसको कैसे डील करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लीज गिव मी सम टाइम. सो समवन इज आस्किंग टू गिव हिम सम टाइम. सो अगर अपन इसको पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं तो सिंपली हम इसके आगे लगा देंगे यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड. So it is the most simple way of converting an active sentence into a passive sentence, and rest of the same, rest of it is same. It is give me some time joined by a to. Now the fifth special case, that is try, refuse, then it is converted as to plus bare infinitive. So how to convert the sentence containing the try and refuse. So for example, the police tried to kill the terrorist. So now converting it into its passive voice, we will get the terrorist was tried to be killed by police. So in this sentence we are getting two facts. First is how to deal with try and such kind of sentence, and where is the police gone. हमने इस सेंटेंस में पुलिस क्यों नहीं यूज किया, क्योंकि जब सिंगल नाउन के अलावा कोई सी नाउन होती है तो हम उसको यहाँ पर इग्नोर कर सकते हैं. जैसे बाय समवन, एनीवन एक्सेट्रा, हम इसको इग्नोर कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये अंडरस्टूड है कि द टेररिस्ट वाज ट्राइड टू बी किल. तो लीगली टेररिस्ट को सिर्फ पुलिस ही किल कर सकती है, देयरफॉर हम इसको ओमिट कर सकते हैं यहाँ से. सो हमने इसमें क्या करा, ट्राई प्लस टू प्लस बेयर इन्फिनिटिव, यानी अपना क्वेश्चन में था ट्राइड, हमने इसको बनाया tried to be, to के साथ where infinitive be लगाया and then the third form the verb. So here ends our special cases of active and passive voice. Guys, thanks for watching this video and subscribe my YouTube channel APpedia Educating World.